How to verify your Discord account on iPhone? If you want to verify your Discord account and unlock all of its features, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Discord app on your iPhone and sign into your account. Once you're inside Discord, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Tap on Account. If your email address hasn't been verified, you'll see the option to resend verification email. Tap it to have Discord send a new verification email to your inbox. Now, open the Mail app on your iPhone and look for the verification email from Discord. Open the email, then tap the Verify Email button. Your browser will open and confirm that your Discord account has been successfully verified. Return to the Discord app and your account will now be verified. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.